Rightio, here we are people. It's me, Pied Piper, doing a bit of kayak fishing from an estuary today. Pretty far from the Great Ocean Road. But we'll see how we go here. Looks beautiful. I got a couple of little flatty in this estuary the other day actually, so we'll see how we go here. It's quite shallow here, but I can still get in. Oh, there we go. Ooh, it's a bit wet on my bottom. Let's paddle out like this. There we go, turn that on. Got a bit of tidal influence with this morning too. See if we can see any big flatties in these shallows, because they are here. Hopefully that's all I'm going to get. I don't care if I even get small flatties, it's just nice to catch a flathead in an estuary, which we don't really get in Victoria. There are, you do in the east, in the Gippsland lakes, etc. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. It is beautiful, hey? Gorgeous. A few casts in this little bit here. So it's pretty promising. See how we go. Bit of an eddy here. I should just go further up where I caught flatty the other day. It's hard to give it a miss when it looks this good. Even around those trees up there look really good. Right, we're just going to drift along this little bit. There's a drop off to my left here, drops off to 1.6, 1.7 metres right here. And this is flatty hotspot, people. Sandy bottom drop off. Well, hopefully anyway. Hopefully. I was supposed to go up there, but it's just too fishy everywhere. I gotta have a cast. Oh, it looks great everywhere along here, to be honest. It's heating up though. I am hot. It's literally 2 metres here. And 2 metres of water here. That's fishy behind me. Oh, that's nice. Oh. How's this spot? Beautiful. Literally just going to have a cast from the bank here. Literally just going to cast from the bank here, people. There we go, we've got the kayak just sitting there. And oh, it's beautiful in the water, I tell you. Beautiful, because it's quite warm today. Where I am. Definitely going to get in the water for a swim, I reckon. few casting around here because it literally just drops off here. And it's going to bring it up the drop off here and see how we go. Clean the old glasses, they're getting fogged up. Just going to do the old lift and wind. Let the soft plastic sink right down to the bottom. Oh, there's a brim right there in front of me. How's that, Brimbo? Hey, brim. I'm going to keep walking our way along here. It's quite a significant drop off actually. Oh, on. Wowee, just like that. Oh! Oh, you're kidding me. You guys are good luck, or maybe. Oh. Oh, that was a good fish too. Shit. Oh, on. Yes. Here we go. Oh, yes. Is that a Brimbo? What do we got? We got something here. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a nice flatty, actually. Okay, people. Oh, I've done it. That is a nice flathead. Have a look at this. Ew. That's pretty sick. There we go. How good's that? There we go, people. Nice little flatty here in the estuary. Look at that. Beautiful flatty. Only 2.5 inch paddle tail grub. How good. Phew. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. There it is. Just casting that same spot again pretty much. Oh, how good. That's fun. Oh, we've got a flathead for dinner anyway. Oh no, it's gone. There it is. See you, bud. See you, bloody. Oh, sick. That was fun. Oh, well, that was a bit of fun. I love this lure, tell you what. Right, I'm going to get back in.